Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this travel adapter with USB ports. So this is going to be a product overview video, so let's get into it. You can plug in all different types of plug into this adapter from all over the world. And then on the side, this is where when you push this in, this is how you plug it into the outlet, the wall outlet. And it has for the EU, USA, Australia, and even UK. See right here. And then when you're not using it, and this is where it comes out of. And this side, you plug in the US and the Japan sockets right here. Here's a fuse. And then on the bottom, you have your 20 watt for the USB-Cs and the USB-As. So it's very easy to use. You plug it in like so. And then you're able to charge whatever device. You plug this in here like this. It works very well. And here's this plug, you just plug it in like so. It plugs in, and even the USB-Cs. So when you're ready to plug it into the wall, I'm gonna slide for the right plug, and then you just plug it in. To say, and I wanna plug in here, I put this like so. I plug in my phone cord, and now my phone. Okay, so it's charging. So this is a plug that's great to travel with from all over the world. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great travel plug. I like how this plug accommodates all different plugs from around the world. I like how easy it is to use, and I like that it has a 20 watt voltage to here. And I also like how you're able to plug in USB-Cs and USB-A plugs. And this is a great buy. Thanks for watching.